Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Clickbank and private label rights. This is something that I've talked about before. Clickbank is something I've talked about a lot on my YouTube channel, but the mix of it with private label rights or PLRs is something that I've never talked about, and this is an interesting subject because you can use PLRs or private label rights to make a lot of money on Clickbank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually give you some details. I'm going to show you some examples of how I use PLRs to make money on Clickbank and how you can do the same thing. It's really not that complicated. I mean, there's a bit of process to it, but when you figure it out, when you do it right, it's just super easy, and these can actually help you to make a lot of money. So I'm going to share different strategies how you can actually do it, and I show you some examples as well, so you see exactly how everything works in action. All right, so before I start, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. Also leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video and all that stuff. So I'm going to take you to my computer right now. I'm going to show you some examples. I'm going to share some PLR websites first of all, okay, and then I'm going to obviously share some campaigns with you. All right, so let's get started. Let's go to my computer to talk about PLRs and Clickbank and how you can actually use them to make some good money on Clickbank. Alright everyone, so I'm going to start this by talking about the websites and where do you actually find PLRs, because that's a very important thing. So if you just go to Google and search by PLRs, okay, you're going to find a lot of sites that allow you to just buy these PLRs. Take a look. I mean, you can buy these products from a lot of different sites that even on Fiverr they sell them, but I wouldn't recommend buying them on Fiverr. Okay, so buy PLR products. There you go. That's a more targeted search. Okay, yeah. So a lot of different sites allow you to buy. That's not good. Okay, so for example, this is one of the sites that I buy a lot of my PLRs. Yeah, there's a lot of sites. Take a look. Different products. Now these are info products. Basically, they're videos or ebooks alone, or videos alone, just different stuff, right? So you can just buy these products from different sites. And yeah, this is just the part of it. You got to do your own research and find the best place to buy your PLRs. Okay. So yeah, that's that. Now, next thing I want to talk about is this strategy. Okay, so this is something that I feel that I have to explain because it helps a lot to understand this whole thing. Because you want to make money on Clickbank or any other affiliate network in general. Like, it doesn't matter if it's Clickbank or not. There are a couple of different ways that you can do this. Now, two main ways that I always recommend. Okay, these are just things that I think, these are two things that I mainly use, and they work the best. So let me actually explain. So how do you do this? So the most common strategy is basically you buy a PLR that has like ebooks or videos and stuff like that, and you offer it as a free training, right? Free opt-in. For example, you buy a PLR about weight loss, so you set up a landing page, right? You set up a landing page. It says free weight loss training or whatever, and then you ask for the name and email. That's the main, right? The main objective. Email. Sorry for my terrible handwriting. I mean, it's kind of hard to write in here. So then you just after you get that information, you save it to autoresponder. You just send them to a page where they download this stuff, right? Download. I'm gonna show you an example of this right now. Okay, so this is an example. For example, take a look at this. This is a PLR product. The people download it, okay, and then they're gonna, after they confirm their email, they're gonna go to this page where they can just download this product and you know, the ebook basically, and use it. All right, so yeah, that's the most common way. Another way, which is a little bit more complicated, but this is how people like me make a lot of money on Clickbank. Okay, let me just open a new one. There you go. So another way, which is much more powerful and a lot more work to actually implement this. It's not easy to really do this, but this is something I talk about inside Inner Circle Masterclass in detail. Okay, in detail. That the whole program is about this strategy. is where I buy these PLRs, I set up a sales page, okay, and I get people to buy this product for very cheap amounts, for like, so this is the sales page, okay, so I get them to pay like $10. Okay, now these are, and you know, making a product that actually worth this $10, that can be complicated. So you gotta kind of package a lot of things together. So you gotta buy multiple PLRs. That's another thing I talk about inside Inner Circle Masterclass. But anyway, so that actually, you know, I get them to buy this, and then I build a list of customers. Okay, so this is going to be my list of customers, and then what I do is, because I have a list of customers, people who bought something, let's say this is a product about dating, okay, so now I have a list of people who bought something and bought a product from me in dating niche. Now what I do is I just send them more products, like I promote a Clickbank product and I make a $50 commission. Okay, so again, this is a lot more effective because you actually end up building a list of buyers. That's really powerful. Okay, this is something a lot of top marketers do. This is something I do in my own business, like in my own company, and also when I promote affiliate products as well. It's just really powerful. Now let me show you an example of that as well. So this is like an example. Take a look. So this is a sales page, simple, you know. Then when someone wants to buy this ebook, they just go here, they pay for the ebook, costs $5, and then they access the product. Now setting this thing up can be a little bit complicated, so that's why I have that whole program where I teach this whole thing in detail. You know, like there's a lot of details into this. For example, setting up the sales page, you know, testing the sales page, setting up the payment gateways, setting up the membership site, all that stuff. It can get really complicated, so that's why hence I created a program. Anyway, so yeah, and again guys, that program is not public, so I don't have a link. I mean, I might leave a link for you in there so you can check it out, but it's joining it is a little bit complicated. So so yeah, that's the second strategy. This is something I really like mostly, and this is something I recommend you to do. All right, now what I'm gonna do, again, I'm gonna leave 2 links for you in the description. The first one is gonna be the training link. It's a free training if you want to learn about this strategy more in detail. That's going to take you to the training. It's a free training. You can sign up, just put your name and email, and you're good to go. Okay, and yeah, that free training is going to explain this strategy that I just shared with you in more detail. The second link is going to take you to the Inner Circle Masterclass. Now that one is a little bit complicated because you have to, in order for you to actually join Inner Circle, you have to apply, and we need to actually approve you manually, and then you're allowed to join. So if you're interested in Inner Circle Masterclass, learning this professional, like really advanced strategies, you can take a look at that. There's no guarantee you're going to be able to join, but if you want to just give it a try, you could do that. All right, everyone, so I hope you learned something new to this. So as I explained, when I was showing these things on my computer, 2 ways to do this. Number 1 is to generate leads, which is really simple. I'm just going to kind of do it right in front of you, kind of show it again, just do a quick recap for you. So number 1 is just generate leads, you know, the opt-in page and all that stuff, you know it, and then just generate leads and then advertise more products to your leads and make money. And the second way, which is more advanced and something that I talk about inside my Inner Circle Masterclass program in details, is using these PLR products to actually create a customer base. The strategy, as I said, is that you set up a sales page, right? You sell the product. Okay, so this is going to be the sales page. And you sell a product, so you build a customer list. Okay, so this is going to be the customer list, and then these are your customers, people who paid something, who paid you to purchase a product, and then you market more products, Clickbank products, anything, you know, like more Clickbank products. to just make commissions. All right, so now there's a lot of possibilities with this, because you can do a lot of cool stuff. You can actually hire affiliates to sell for you, so you just automate your traffic. Okay, so there's a lot of interesting things you can do with this, and this is something I talk about inside Inner Circle Masterclass. And that program is not actually open, so it's kind of complicated to join it if you're interested. So guys, two things. First of all, I'm gonna leave a link in the description, the first one, that's gonna take you to my free training program if you want to learn more about these things in detail. That takes you to training. It's free to join, and you can learn more about these things in detail. The second link in the description is going to take you to the Inner Circle Masterclass program. So again, as I said, that program is not a public program, so we need to actually qualify to make sure that if you're interested to join that program, you're the right person. Okay, so because again, we don't just allow everyone to join. So that link is going to take you to the page. You can watch the video if you want. If you don't, just there's going to be a button on that page. You fill out a quick form. That form is just going to ask you a couple of questions, and then if we see that you qualify for this program, we're going to send you a link, or we're going to have one of our coaches contact you and explain exactly how do you join the program. Again, it's a little bit complicated joining the program, because we just have to qualify the right people, because the training in there is just really advanced, and we want to make sure that we allow the right people to join the program. All right, so thank you so much. Both links are in the description. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video, and I look forward to seeing you inside the Inner Circle Masterclass program or the free training program. And I'll see you in future videos as well on my YouTube channel.